Hey there, I'm making this video to show you how to show or hide a file extension in Windows. I'm using Windows 10, but you can do it with any version of Windows you want. The process is pretty much same. So to do that, bring up the Explorer window, then click on the View tab, which is located in top left corner of this window. There you will see file name extension. Check it to show file extension or uncheck it to hide file extension, and that is one way to do it. Also there is another way you can hide or show file extension, which is click on the file tab on the top left corner of this window, then navigate to change folder and search option. Click it to open folder option window, and under the folder option window click on the View tab, and in this tab you will see advanced setting, and under the advanced setting look for hide extension for known file tab. Check it to hide file extensions or uncheck it to show file extension, and after that click apply and then click OK to make the changes permanent. So that's all you need to do to show or hide a file extension in Windows. Thank you for watching.